Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to transform your ordinary iPhone videos into slow motion? In this video, I will walk you through the steps to convert your existing videos into slow motion clips on your iPhone. Let's go. Unfortunately, you can't directly convert a regular video to slow motion on your iPhone. The slow motion effect is captured at the time of recording, not applied afterward. However, you can use a third-party video editing app as a workaround. CapCut is an excellent choice for creating slow-motion videos. While it can't magically increase the frame rate of your original video, it can effectively slow down existing footage. If you don't have it yet, CapCut is available on the App Store. Afterwards, open the app. Tap the New Project button. Import the video you want to convert to slow motion from your iPhone's gallery. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the video clip. Look for the speed option. It's usually represented by a speedometer icon. Click the speed option to open the speed adjustment panel, then choose the normal option. Drag the slider to the left to slow down your video. You can choose from various preset speeds or manually adjust the percentage. The app also offers additional options to refine the slow motion effect. You might want to experiment with it. Smooth option can help reduce stuttering in the slow motion footage. Also, with frame rate, while you can't change the original frame rate, experimenting with different frame rates within CapCut might have better results. You can also choose the desired video resolution and quality. Once you're satisfied with the slow motion effect, tap the export button. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.